One ocean phenomenon affects global weather patterns drastically. This hidden force shapes our planet's climate. It's called El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. This natural cycle originates in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. ENSO has two main phases: El Niño and La Niña. El Niño brings warmer sea surface temperatures eastwards. La Niña brings cooler temperatures to the central Pacific. These shifts dramatically alter global weather conditions yearly. Understanding ENSO is crucial for predicting Earth's climate future. Peruvian fishermen first noticed unusual warm waters. They observed it around Christmas time centuries ago. Thus, they named it El Niño, meaning the Christ child. Early observations linked it to poor fishing conditions. Later, scientists recognized its global atmospheric reach. Jacob Bjerknes pioneered understanding this vast phenomenon. His 1960s work connected ocean warmth to atmospheric changes. This began modern scientific study of ENSO cycles. Normally, strong trade winds blow west across the Pacific. These winds push warm surface water towards Asia. Cool, nutrient-rich water then rises near South America. This process is known as upwelling, supporting marine life. During El Niño, trade winds weaken or even reverse direction. Warm water then surges eastward towards the Americas. This suppresses the normal upwelling of cold, deep water. Sea surface temperatures rise significantly in the eastern Pacific. Warmer ocean waters directly heat the overlying atmosphere. This creates massive convection, forming persistent rainstorms. Normally dry regions in Peru experience heavy flooding. Meanwhile, Indonesia and Australia suffer severe droughts. The altered heating changes global atmospheric pressure patterns. This Walker circulation weakens, shifting rainfall zones. Jet streams across the world also get significantly displaced. These shifts dictate extreme weather events worldwide annually. Diverse and far-reaching California may see climate increased impacts. Rainfall and mudslides. The Amazon rainforest often experiences devastating droughts. Coral reefs suffer widespread bleaching events globally. Fisheries off Peru decline due to warmer, nutrient-poor waters. Globally, El Niño years are typically the warmest on record. The 2015-2016 El Niño was one of the strongest ever. It contributed to record global temperatures that year. El Niño is a critical natural driver of Earth's climate. Forecasting ENSO events saves lives and resources globally. It reminds us of Earth's interconnected climate system. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.